Hi guys, so I am back again with another video, and I'm not sure what time this is going to be uploaded, but right now it's Thursday and we're going to talk about something that I kind of researched because I was curious about like online platforms where you can make comic books. The reason why I was curious about it is because my son, he's been getting into Plants vs. Zombies and he's really starting to like comics, and I'm like, okay, I might have another comic creator on my hands. So I wanted to kind of like further push him into the realm of exploring how to draw comics by finding easy platforms to where you don't have to worry about any drawing skills. You can just boom boom boom, boom being the paste the comic creator the comic image into the panel boxes and the word balloons and make your own comic. So I was able to find 3 easy platforms to where you can make your own online comic book, and I'm kind of excited to show my son this, and I'm going to try to show my other 2 children this to see if they'll be interested in, start drawing comics along with their mommy. But okay, anyways, let me get into this because this is another short video. So the first website, now it is a little dated, but it's I feel it's kid friendly because when I looked at it, it looks cute. It looks like the early 90s internet style website. You don't need an account for it. It's free. It's called makebeliefcomics.com. You can easily Google it as well if I'm jacking up the name, but Make Believe Comics. It is dated. You cannot upload your own art with it, but it's a very charming website. It has great educational potential for like homeschooling parents that want to get their kids in the creating comics. You can print it out. You got to make an account for that though. But you can print out the comic or make templates of the comic and print that out so that they can make their own little comics. It's cute. You guys, it's just check it out. It's dated, but check it out. The next free platform, well, semi-free platform, it's called Picton. I don't think I'm saying it right, but it is another online comic book creating platform, and it's great for like older kids, like grade schoolers. So it's not as dated, it's more up to date. And they do have free individual accounts, but you cannot print or download or upload your art with the free account, but you can do all that with the paid account, which is like the teacher or the educational account, like package. Like forgetting my words. But anyways, that's also another cute website. It's more up to date, more I think grade schoolers should really like that one. And did I mention it's picton.com? Yes. Yes. No, I didn't. Picton.com. Check that one out. And then the last website that I found, which was a surprise to me, was Canva. I've been using Canva and I never realized that you can make comics with it, like upload comic strips. Like not upload comic strips, but like make your own comic strips to like share on other platforms. And that's, of course adults can use that and kids can use that. I'm shocked. And it's free, of course. It has the free options. You do have, the paid like add-ons that you can go along with it, but I think the free options can get you, very far. You can upload your own artwork with the free options as well. So I'm like, this is amazing. How come I didn't know about this? But yeah, Canva.com, another online platform. I believe it's Canva.com. I should really save these. But yeah, it's another online platform that can be used. And you can share it. Like, you can just share it to all your friends on Facebook or your family members, or email it to them like, hey, look at this comic that my kid drew. Or you know what? Make yourself a comic and like share it to them and be like, yeah, I drew this comic. Look at this. And just be proud. And join me. Make a comic with me so I don't feel like I'm the only one. Of course, I'm not the only one. But like in my audience, in my circle, my little community, it's kind of lonely. So I'm gonna need you guys to, stop not making comics because you feel like you can't draw, and get on these websites and make a comic with me, gosh darn it. Excuse my outburst. But yeah, so these are 3 very simple, very easy websites that you can go and check out, platforms that you can go and check out to make your own online comic book. My gosh, when I listen to my voice and how I sound in these videos, I'm like, why do I sound like that? I'm so sorry if it's hard to understand what I'm saying. I went to speech class as a little girl, and this is just how I am. And it's fine. It's fine. I've made it this long. We're still trucking along, so I'll try to speak as clearly as I can and enunciate my words. But sometimes I get so excited when I talk about comics and it's like, can't slow down. I gotta get this out right now. But anyways, what was that? Sorry. But anyways, check out those websites. Share it with your kids. You guys can, do comics together. And let me know, in the comments below if you guys are thinking about starting your own comic. If not, how come? Draw with me, please. But anyways, that's all I wanted to talk about today. I do hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget, you can check out my comic on my website at S-Morishitastudio.com. It's called Catch Me, Fight Me, Love Me. And you can also check it out on Webtoons as well if you do enjoy kind of silly, wholesome, somewhat petty fake marriage trope filled comic, then you might like this one. So that's enough of me shamelessly plugging my comic. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments below why you're not making your comic, because I want someone to draw with me. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.